strange luck is this today, that fate let us meet again. Your voice, your laugh pulled me back to who we were back then. We used to stay awake till dawn, talking soft into the night, lying under the same moon, watching stars burn bright. I still miss the love we had when we didn't know how to hold it tight. Please turn around and look at me, my once beloved, my life. My heart aches deeper than words. Sometimes I wish I'd disappear, be reborn as your own child, so I could feel your love without fear. Oh sky, oh heavens, why didn't you save me then? Why did you let the one I cherish fall in love with someone else? What am I supposed to do? How do I press rewind? Go back to the moment when your heart still lived with mine. Just turn and look at me once more, let this hollow heart feel whole. I don't know how long this strength will last before I return to my lonely road. Even if we never cross that mountain, even if we weren't meant to stay, the story of you and me is one I'll never erase. I'll carry it in quiet pages, written with tears I never show. Some loves don't need an ending, they just need to be known. I smile in front of you, but inside I break. Every word you speak feels too late. I learned that love don't always choose fair. Sometimes it just leaves you standing there. I don't hate you, I hate the time. I hate the way our stars misaligned. If loving you means letting you go, then this pain is the price I owe. Oh sky, oh heavens, why didn't you save me then? Why did you let the one I cherish fall in love with someone else? What am I supposed to do? How do I press rewind? Go back to the moment when your heart still lived with mine. Just turn and look at me one last time, so this ache can't finally sleep. I don't know how long I'll survive once I return to reality. Even if we never ended up together, even if fate said no, the story of you and me is mine to hold, mine to know. I'll write it down and let it rest somewhere safe inside my chest. Not every love is meant to last, but every love still leaves a trace.